Welcome everybody! We are going to make today a basic recipe with rice with chicken. So the ingredients we need are chicken, you can use legs, wings, breast, whatever you want. Green pepper, carrot, onion, garlic, a bit of parsley, rice. You can use saffron if you don't have, doesn't matter. I have colorant, or if not, use a bit of tomato. Salt, oil and water. You can use as well a bit of stock. So, let's start to do it. Now we are going to chop all the ingredients. Now we are going to cook all the vegetables in the medium heating for about 4 minutes. So now we are going to add the chicken and we are going to cook it for 4 more minutes. Now we are going to add the rice and we are going to cook 2 minutes. Now we are going to add the water and the colorant or the saffron, and we are going to cook it in the maximum for 3 minutes. We are going to cook it for about 15-17 minutes in the slow heating, and we cover it. We are going to add the parsley. We switch off and we leave there for about 5 minutes. Very nice. Thank you very much for watching my video and I hope you enjoy. Adiós!